Okay, for today's tips and tricks, I want to talk about how we can look at what changes we're about to commit, and also how we can move files in and out of places, in and out of being staged for commit. So we've seen previously, if we do git add, we can add the name of a file that we want to add. So for example, if I do git add source legacy baseline, it's going to take us from an untracked file and put it into the stage for commit area. Now, if we want to see exactly what we're about to commit, we can do git diff ---- cached, and that is going to show us only the changes that we're about to commit. So in this case, it's only this file we've just added. Normally git diff just will only show us the changes that are in the status not staged for commit. And then if we've decided that actually we don't want this file, then we can just kind of do as it says. We can do git restore ---- staged and then the name of the file. It will put the file back. In this case, it will put the file back into untracked file because that's where it came from. If we were to add, for example, this file, again, we can see it's gone into the changes to be committed. And again, if we do git diff ---- cached, it will show us only the changes we're about to add to the commit. If we were to create a commit, which will just be in this baseline importer file. So it's just going to be these changes here. We can also do git diff head, and this will show us the changes that's about to be committed and these changes as well. But it still won't show us the files that are like untracked files. And if we want to, we could say, actually, I don't want to make these changes. So we can do the git restore ---- and put that down there. So it's going to move, that file back into changes not staged for commit. And what we might think is, well, actually, we didn't want to make this change at all. I made a mistake doing this. I just want to get rid of that change altogether. So we can just do git restore and then the name of the file. And once we've done that, those changes have been forgotten forever. So there is no more baseline. There is no more changes to the baseline importer. The baseline importer file will be how it was before I made any changes at all. So anyway, the git restore, so git add moves things up to the stage for commit. Git restore moves things out of there, and git diff with the relevant options can show you either what changes you're about to commit with git diff ---- cached, or it will show you, git diff will just show you all the changes that are not yet staged for commit.